Ever wondered how GrabPay, that app you use to hail a ride or order food, actually makes money? It's not just about connecting you with drivers and restaurants, there's a whole system at play. Let's dive in. GrabPay, at its core, acts as a financial intermediary. They facilitate transactions between you and the service providers, drivers, merchants, etc. Now, here's the key: they don't just pass the money through. They take a small cut from each transaction. Commission fees: this is the bread and butter. GrabPay charges a commission on every transaction processed through their platform. This percentage varies depending on the service, with ride-hailing likely having a different rate than food delivery. Payment processing fees: when you use GrabPay to make a payment, there are processing fees involved. These cover things like credit card processing, bank transfers, and ensuring secure transactions. Financial services: GrabPay is expanding beyond basic transactions. They offer a range of financial products like loans, insurance, and investment options. These services generate revenue through interest, premiums, and investment returns. Data analytics and insights: the massive amount of data GrabPay collects is valuable. They can analyze user behavior, identify trends, and offer valuable insights to businesses. This data can be monetized through partnerships and data licensing. Expert/user: I think the real value lies in their ecosystem. It's not just about ride-hailing anymore. They're building a complete financial platform, and that's where the long-term growth potential lies. You see, it's a multi-pronged approach. GrabPay isn't just a simple payment app, it's a sophisticated platform that generates revenue through various channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.